G'day, Mark from Tas Off-Road Adventures. Just a short YouTube video to do a couple of product reviews. It's two in one this video. So a couple of Oztrail products that I picked up from snowies.com.au. If you don't know about Snowies, they're an online camping shop and they've got free freight, I think, on all their products, around the country, so it's pretty good. This particular one here is the Oztrail Ultramesh. It's basically like shade cloth. This is the 8ft by 8ft. I'll just bring that in so you can see. Now this one here, I use this. I've got a few of these. They're really good for putting under tents or swags, and the 8 by 8ft size is really good. It's 2.4 meters by 2.4. So if you fold it in half, you end up with 2.4 by 1.2, which is perfect for most swags, like single or king size swags, and good for under my camper trailer and one of my, or both my tents. So just in case you've got ground, and I don't know if you can pick this up on the video, but it's quite a bit of, a few little sticks and stuff around. By putting this down, it's going to protect the bottom of the swag. Same as if it's a bit of a wet night and you're on wet grass. If you put this down, it just keeps the mud and muck off the bottom of the swag. So as simple as just laying it out like so, and then putting your swag down and rolling it out. It's just a really good cheap item. It's about 25 bucks from Snowies, I think, around that. Comes in a heap of different sizes, about a dozen or so different sizes. So like I said, I've got about 3 of these in my shed at home that I use for different setups. So highly recommend it. So the next product I've got to do a short review on is the Oztrail Swag Ridge Pole. I'm not 100% sure what it's called. It's something like that. And what it does, if anyone has seen a previous video about the Mr. Swagman swag, you'll know how much I like the design of having the centre pole. This item here from Oztrail basically lets you convert nearly any swag into that similar sort of style. It's obviously designed for their own range, their own Oztrail swags, but I've made it fit my old Burke and Wills swag. So I'm just going to show you how that works. I've got the swag set up, so how I would normally do it, I'll put the poles in each end, and now I would normally peg it out and put the guy ropes on and stretch it out, but I'm going to use this pole and show you how that works. Right, so here's my Burke and Wills swag set up as I would normally set it up, by putting the poles in each end. Now here is normally where I would put the guy ropes out and put pegs in and stretch it out each end like you would do with most other swags, except I'm using the wrong way around. Doesn't matter which way around it goes. I'm using the Oztrail centre pole, the swag pole. Now for this to work, you need eyelets in each end of the swag. Now on this Burke and Wills swag, I already had this eyelet. Actually no, I didn't. I had that eyelet put in. There's already an eyelet up this end. I had to get that one put in. I just went to a local canvas shop, charged me a couple of bucks to put that eyelet in. So to make it work, this essentially, actually before I get there, it's essentially a tent pole, spring loaded in the middle, and so it doesn't exactly come apart. So I'll put one end in there, and then the other end just put in there loosely. This pole is adjustable. You just pull up the yellow clamp, pull that up, and then I can stretch that out as much as I want within reason, and clamp that off, and that's fixed. So pretty similar to the my Mr. Swagman swag. And once again, like the Mr. Swagman, if I want to move it around, I can simply pick it up and reposition it. So I really like this Oztrail swag pole. It cost me about 28 bucks, I think, again from Snowies online, free delivery. And I just think the Ultramesh and the swag pole, just two really good products, really cheap, and it just changes the way that you go camping. So it's a thumbs up from me for both of these products. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, and keep watching out for some more camping and 4x4 video reviews. Thanks for watching.